but they have her stealing stuff. But we were supposed to, I was supposed to.
Before, like as an employee, she was stealing
Yeah.
stuff too?
Be okay.
Did you work here?
She used to. I know you act like you're about to scan it because you took the gun off, but then I don't know if y'all talked about it. Said no, let's not do it. And it's $21 just for a bag of rice.
What was the total?
$40.
Wait, that's $40?
Police have been dispatched to a Walmart in Cobb County, Georgia, in order to investigate a Walmart employee skip scanning at the registers.
Excuse me?
Check your infection.
Okay. Gotcha. You just run to the car real quick. Good, how are you?
Good, are you? You can go. She's here now. Just as long as you're free, Mike. You staying?
Yeah.
Okay.
Appreciate you.
Thank you. Not much hurt your ankle anymore. Somebody partied too hard and missed a step and darn near broke her ankle.
Thanks.
Are you gonna go to the big one?
Not at the moment. So whenever anything's over a certain dollar amount, and when y'all don't have IDs, we have to call the police
Okay.
because we have no clue who y'all are.
Oh, yes, sir.
Plus the dollar amount,
Okay.
we have to. So we're going from there right now, then we'll get you going.
Not the rest of them.
I know you act like you're about to scan it because you took the gun off, but then I don't know if y'all talked about it. Said no, let's not do it, and you never did. So I was hoping you did. It's $21 just for a bag of rice. We have to call the cops if anything's $25 or more. So if you paid for that, but you didn't pay for this, even if you didn't pay for that, and y'all had ID, you would just go home. Why would you have to call the cops? But because you don't have ID, you could say you're president, and I don't know.
Makes sense.
But y'all look cooperative, so they know that, so we all can try to work stuff out.
What was the total?
$40.
Wait, that's $40?
Total.
For all of it, yeah.
Oh, because the rice is 20.
Yeah. Yeah, the rice was 20, and then the chips are like $5, $6 each, and they didn't tell us that, it's like $8.
Your groceries are expensive now.
We make rice all the time, but we get it from like the international market.
Yeah.
And holy cow, it's like $40 or $50 for it.
Code 4.
Nope, it's already seen one. I don't do that. Huh.
Are you gonna make it small?
No, it's fine. We can keep an eye on it, just in case they pop up. Are you sure we never did?
I just.
So are you just on leave? Or are you like, were you planning on coming back after school? Or did you quit to just go to school?
No, I was on leave, but I don't, like, I stay at school, like,
All the time now?
without, yeah,
Where at? Kennesaw?
no.
Did you work here?
She
Oh.
used to.
Where do you go to school?
In Cartersville.
Oh, okay.
Statute of limitations. I'll be right back.
Mm-hmm. Steady, not crazy though. Traffic's been horrible today though with that one the lane being closed to paving. My God.
It took me 15 minutes to get this last half mile.
The red
Tried
light.
to turn left on the 92. No, down here.
No, I know. No, the red light up here at Target. If you're coming out of Target, turn on to Cobb Parkway. The line was literally backed up to the Target building. I was like, holy cow! It took me 15 minutes to get from Target to North Cobb High School. It's like, no, thank you. It's ridiculous today. I probably sat at each red light for like 4 or 5 cycles. It's felt like I'm like. Just long.
Go back in, build it all, and give them a nice little.
Are you taking a picture? Want me to take it? I didn't know what you were doing.
Oh, no. I was
Okay.
just here because of
Okay, I
another
was like, I
case.
didn't know they were here. Okay. All right, they're all on the call and everything.
Yeah, and it is.
Okay.
Well,
We got all your stuff ready. We just don't really have IDs because they don't have, like,
All right, give me a second. I'm gonna just. It's $40.
it's, the exact dollar amount is $38.74.
Okay. On radio. Can you run a CH on both those subjects?
10-4. Negative CH for both subjects.
10-4.
Effort 210, copy signal 86, zone 2. 435 2 Iron Trail, 435 2 Iron Trail. Complainant advised his wife, signal 27, signal 88 to the residence. Report. He did advise signal 69, 28, and 38. 78 on the wife of Suzanne Sanchez, white female, black PJs.
Done.
10-4. On comment, complaint advised negative 69, 28, 38.
Go for.
Unit code 4.
Go for.
10-4.
All right, Mr. Keith and Miss Sylvia, we're gonna, instead of arresting you, I'm gonna release y'all on a citation, okay? You're still gonna be charged with shoplifting less than 500. It's a misdemeanor. You will have to appear in our city court, okay? We have a court date of May 11th at 9 a.m. I mean, do you have to appear? Failure to appear? Oh, you need their names?
Yeah.
Yeah. Failure to appear will result in a bench warrant for your arrest, okay? Get all that. That one's yours, Sylvia. That one's yours.
That's ours. That's my good.
Do you have any questions about that?
So what happens when we go to court, you know?
It'll be like an arraignment, so the judge will explain what the charges are to you, and it's kind of like you'll decide if you want to plead guilty, not guilty. Can't give you legal advice. It's going to be up to you when you get there. But the first court date will be like an arraignment. But you do have to appear.
Okay. So,
As far as Walmart, I believe that they can leave the items. These items.
Yes, yeah, they
Okay.
pay for all that, they can take that.
Good for. So yes, y'all be good to go, and they say y'all can take these items. So just be sure y'all show up for that court date. May 11th. It's on the bottom right. It's May 11th at 9 a.m. And the address and phone number to the court and everything are on the back. So it's not fine. Like I said, it's not a fine you can just pay over the phone. You'll have to appear in court on it. So
Oh, that's not a fine?
no, it is a fine. I'm saying it's not like a regular ticket. You can just pay it and not go. Like you do have to go. But all that will be set by the judge.
What's crazy is I didn't even recognize her.
How long ago has she been gone?
Before I came back, she went on leave. So I've been back since November. So she probably been gone October-ish. But they have her stealing stuff. But we were supposed to, I was supposed to.
Before, like as an employee, she was stealing
Yeah.
stuff too?
Be okay. 3 different days.
And that's what I was
That was last
But
year?
last year. Yeah.
So that's why I'm going to talk to the judge.
And
next
y'all
time.
didn't? Okay, yeah. I can put that in the report. I didn't know that. I guess, yeah, I mean, she was never charged
By the
or
time we
anything with
found
that.
this, she was gone to school, so we were
Oh,
like,
so I kind of didn't worry about it.
you know, I don't think it was ever anything insane. And
Just little
she was
amounts like
already
that.
gone, so it was like, okay, well.
Okay.
Kind of hoping that she comes back, but that's exactly her.
No,
And him.
This is the last time?
it's done there. So looks like whatever that is and a case of water.
Uh-huh.
I have the receipt saved. It's just not up right now.
Oh, yeah. So I think the other case
Pause.
was the COVID test. I remember looking at this video.
What they paid for today or on that one, was water. So whatever that little thing is.
They didn't pay for whatever that was, yeah.
Right. Well, it was never that big, but we were.
Yeah, like a little red
looking at
bag
it.
or something.
Yeah.
But it's enough to get fired.
Definitely.
For sure.
She was just already gone. So we have selection on this one. This one might be the COVID test.
Janky ass old cameras. Yeah.
Yeah, COVID test, but she had something under her hand. Because what she paid for was
A
a
water
spray
bottle.
for $1.
That's
Yeah.
$27.
COVID test for $1.
Yeah.
Man, you got me paranoid about the freaking baby
Well, we
formula.
have.
Because they got flies full on that shelf.
Yeah.
Today someone took
It's
baby
loaded.
formula?
No.
No, but the ones that always seal it hit the flock. That's why I was here.
Oh.
I'm in the parking lot looking for them.
Gotcha.
I've already been to Target,
fireworks.
Kohl's.
Oh, it is fireworks. It was July 4th. There was a $20 or $30 pack of fireworks, and that box is like $20. Just the mortars.
And what she paid for was
2 spray bottles.
Really?
Yeah, I remember this. I believe.
Yeah.
You come in on Thursday and talk to our judge
About that, yeah.
and get a city warrant.
I'm surprised I haven't met that one. I met the one when I was in Woodstock, because we get a lot of stuff.
Did
through the
we
city where it's
even
like,
put her in the county here? Yeah.
we get a lot more city tour.
And be charged like. each
Sorry,
incident
did you get it
separately.
so far?
That'd be
That's a
felony.
misdemeanor, and then they convict her on all.
Code 4.
Oh, we have ones in Aurora.
Yeah, because the fourth one
Oh,
would
no.
be felony.
3 of it, they're all in Aurora already.
So 3, and
3
this
events,
would have
9360.
does go through, and this today would have been 4.
Yeah, today would have been 4.
Yeah.
So it should have everything.
Like, so
on
that's
here.
what I would do then. If y'all are wanting to press charges on these previous dates, I would try to go to the judge on Thursday, because clearly they don't care. They're going to keep doing it.
If she used a card today, we can actually go back and run her card.
See if we get her for anything else.
Other days, but I'm sure there's more then.
Yeah, because this, we quit watching her. because
She left.
quit coming in.
Yeah.
First
We
time
haven't
we
seen
have
her.
her is August. See, what's it for us though?
Yeah.
Because is it with y'all? It's 2 years,
For what?
like statute of limitations, or
I mean, that's state.
say
No.
okay. See, I don't know what Walmart's policy about.
I can ask Andy and see
Going
what he
back.
says. Because if we could run their card and stuff today, because they're together almost every time they're here,
Yeah.
and then see if we can build any more,
Oh, we'll find more.
and that way it'll help stick it, it'll look a little better, especially if it's one, at least one more case from this year, it'll look a lot better if I present it to the judge. She was an associate, we were gonna fire her, she went on leave, so we were waiting for her to return so we could interview and talk to her,
And she never did.
and she
What do you all think of this interaction? Do you think it was fair that the Walmart employee was only given a citation and allowed to leave, or do you think that there should have been harsher consequences since this was not an isolated incident? Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more content like this.